everyone, I'm Stella. Welcome to Beyond Norm, where output training becomes a powerful skill. Today, I'm going to show you how to summarize a high school textbook lesson titled TED Talks, Spreading Ideas for a Better World. The goal is to help you understand the passage and confidently share its key ideas in English. We'll walk through 5 simple steps together. You can find the full text in the video description. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the title. The title is TED Talks, Spreading Ideas for a Better World. From this, we know the article will talk about TED Talks and how TED speakers influence people globally through powerful ideas. Step 2. Learn the key vocabulary. Here are a few words you should know before reading. 1. Nonprofit. 2. Foundation. 3. Platform. 4. Conference. 5. Slogan. 6. Launch. 7. Insight. 8. Fascination. 9. Fiction. 10. Blockbuster. 11. Broaden. 12. Horizon. Step 3. Read paragraph by paragraph and identify the main idea. If you're a beginner, it's okay to first write your main ideas in Chinese, then try translating them into English. Let's look at each paragraph briefly. Paragraph 1. People may spend their free time in many ways, and TED Talks are a fun and educational option. Paragraph 2. TED began in 1984 as a conference. Its talks are limited to 18 minutes. TED.com launched in 2007 and began to spread ideas globally. Paragraph 3. Famous people like Jamie Oliver have given talks. His talks focused on healthy eating. Paragraph 4. Movie director James Cameron talked about sci fiction's impact on his film career. The founder of Microsoft, Bill Gates, discussed what humans should do to stop diseases. He didn't talk about computers. Paragraph 5. TED Talks help you learn quickly, and many of the talks inspire people to see the world differently or even take action. Step 4. Combine the main ideas into a clear summary. Here's a sample summary. TED Talks are a series of short, powerful online videos where speakers from different fields share their ideas to inspire others. TED stands for Technology, Entertainment, and Design, but the topics now include science, health, education, business, and more. Since it began in 1984, TED has become a global platform for spreading meaningful ideas. Each speaker is given 18 minutes to present their thoughts in a clear and engaging way. In 2007, the website TED.com made these talks available to everyone for free. Many well-known figures have given TED Talks. Chef Jamie Oliver encouraged people to eat healthier. Movie director James Cameron shared how science fiction influenced his creative journey. Surprisingly, Bill Gates didn't talk about computers. He talked about how to fight diseases like Ebola. TED Talks are not only educational, but also inspiring. You get to see farther and think deeper. In just a few minutes, these talks can open your mind, expand your knowledge, and even spark ideas to help change the world. Step 5. Practice and upload your work. Read your summary aloud to build fluency. Adjust your summary when necessary. Then record it and upload it to Beyond Norm for feedback. Stay confident. Every time you practice, you get stronger. Join our training program, and you too can confidently share article summaries in English, just like the students at Beyond Norm. Are you ready to level up your English skills? Click the link below and let the transformation begin.